Looney Tunes Kids.
Hey there, little friends. Do you know this bird? Yes, it's a bird. And do you know something about this bird? What is its name? It is Flamingo. Yes, Flamingo. I like saying it, Flamingo. Yes, say with me, Flamingo. Flamingos love to stand on just one leg to rest. Can you try standing on one leg too? Uh-oh, I know it's not easy, but flamingos can do it for a long time without getting tired. Wow, that's an amazing quality. And guess what? When flamingos get together in a group, it's called flamboyance. What a fun word, right? Can you say it? Flamboyance. Yes, you are doing good. Flamboyance. I don't know why I like saying it again and again. Can you try it again? Flamboyance. These birds are super special. They do so many cool things. They are amazing creatures. It's all for now. See you next time for more fun facts. Bye-bye. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Go, go, go. Subscribe now.